Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be trying another Blackhead remover vacuum device. You guys absolutely loved my last video. I did on one of these back in October, I believe it was, and that video just blew up on my channel, which was crazy to see how many of you guys were interested in this type of product. And from that video, I've obviously taken a bunch of your guys' critiques, which included not being able to see the product work like up close, wishing that I zoomed in more so you could really see what was going on and stuff like that. So I'm going to be trying another Blackhead removing vacuum device today, which is this one right here from Levetop. They did send this to me, but of course we're going to be putting it to the test just like I did in my last video to really see if this product actually works. Now the difference with this one right here is that you can actually see what's going on really up close because it does have a camera feature to it. It claims to have an HD camera. The vacuum suction, of course, is supposed to be small and functional, and it also enlarges pores 20 times. So there is a camera inside the device and you link it to an app on your phone, and then you can actually see what is going on as you are trying to extract blackheads from like your nose area or whatever you're trying to do. So we're going to be reviewing this today, putting it to the test, doing a full trial. So if you want to see all of that, just keep on watching. All right, so as I said, this is the product right here. And I already opened it up and I already charged it. So it just comes with like a USB wire that, let's say, you can plug into like a phone charger or your laptop or something to charge it, and then you just plug it in at the bottom here. And I will say I like the feel of this device. It's very light, but it still feels like a nice quality product. And I charged it for about 45 minutes and this is what it looks like right now. So shows me that it is significantly charged, and then you have the 3 levels and then the button. I haven't pressed anything yet. And then inside the box it comes with 2 more heads. So right now we have this one on right here, and then it comes with a smaller one, also this more ellipse type one. So those are them right there. All right, so I have my old phone here because I'm actually going to be looking at the app here and screen recording the whole thing so you guys can actually see what is going on. So the app is called Levetop P1. I'll put a picture up so you guys can see it. And you can download this on Android and on iOS, so depending on what phone you have. Now, I download the app, and then you just need to connect it to the Wi-Fi, which I'll show you guys right here. So the Wi-Fi is called UDU Beauty, and then it'll have 4 more characters after a dash depending on your device, and you just connect your phone to that Wi-Fi, and then that way you'll be able to activate the app and connect it to the phone. So let's just enter this right here, and it says on here, please do not keep on the same part of your skin for more than 3 seconds. So let's try to video, and it does also tell you how much battery you have. So it says 85 for me. Oh my god, I can literally see. Oh, what is that? Okay, so I'm just like hovering it and you can already see all the stuff. All right, so now that I have that all set up, I'm going to bring you guys in a lot closer this time so you can really see all the stuff we're going to try to extract out of my nose. I'm going to get some hot water. I also have a towel here so I can kind of soak my nose to kind of get my pores a little loosened up from the hot water, and let's get into trying this out. All right, so you guys are nice and close on my face now. Can see everything, and I seem to see that the device is turns off on its own if it's like not being used. So just keep that in mind. You just hold down the button for a few seconds and it'll turn back on. And I do have some eye makeup and lip makeup on, but I don't have any makeup on my nose, so keep that in mind. You want to do this on a clean face, obviously. And as I said, you can record, you can also take pictures. So then you can change the view of it. So if you press this AR button, you can just see like the camera, or you can see it almost through the, so it just changes kind of the zoom. I'm going to take off the little head right there, and I'm going to sanitize it with some alcohol wipes. You can either use just regular rubbing alcohol with like a cloth. I just have these wipes lying around, so I'm just going to use these. I know in my last video, a lot of you guys asked me what I use to sanitize this, and rubbing alcohol is going to work perfect. You just want to make sure it's sanitized, and especially with an electronic device, alcohol is good because it dries really fast. So I'm just really making sure I'm wiping down this whole thing. Now I'm going to take just a bit of my towel into the water. That's pretty hot. And I'm just going to press this on my nose. Really warm up that skin. And it's definitely a myth that hot water or steaming will enlarge your pores, but it will just loosen up that skin a little bit so it's not so firm. And I'm gonna hold my phone so I can actually see what's going on. And we're going to kind of hover, see where I have blackheads. Okay, there is one. So I have it on the soft level right now. Oh my god, you can kind of just see everything. Let's go right on the nose. Oh, there's a lot right there. Oh. Okay, let's go to the normal level. So hitting it one more time. Let's go to the other side. Ooh, a lot of, oh, did you guys see that one just come up? Oh my god. All right. Again, you don't want to go for too long. As you can see, my nose did get pretty red, but you don't want to hold it on for too long. Let's grab another wipe. And I'm going to take the smaller one, wipe it down, make sure it's clean. You don't want to be putting this on your skin before sanitizing, and obviously after you use this device, you want to make sure you're sanitizing all the tools again. Please do not just reuse them. All right, I'm gonna turn it on the soft with the smaller one. So I feel like the soft isn't doing that much for me, so I'm gonna put it back on the normal. I feel like it's kind of bringing everything to the surface. And this is like making me feel so terrible on my skin just because I can see everything. Oh, what's this over here? And you can kind of see where you want to extract stuff. You can see everything that's inside of there, which is actually crazy. So I do like the small one. I think I like the small one better. Now we're gonna try this one right here, which is like the kind of ellipse shaped one. I think this is gonna work better at really concentrating, maybe on the sides too. So just wiping that down. And I'm gonna put it on vertically, like so. All right, let's go. It's just, you can already see like the oils building up around. Oh, go back over that. So I'm kind of applying some pressure with this one too. It's so crazy how you can just see everything. Look how much buildup we have in there. That's so crazy. Okay, so I think my two favorites were the small one and the ellipse-sized one. This is really nice for really concentrating and applying a little more pressure. And now let's take a look. All right, so my nose is pretty red, and I'm gonna need to give it a nice little break. But you can kind of see the red spots where it's like an empty pore now, so there's nothing in there. So that's kind of the crazy part. I can see some stuff kind of like sticking up, and I can probably just get that with a nice exfoliator because it's like on the top, or like just a nice thorough cleanser because it's just sitting on the top like that. The sebum or whatever is just sitting right on the surface, so with an exfoliator or a nice cleanser I can get that all out, but it really got a lot, I feel like. And it is red right now, but this should go down in about half an hour. It's not absolutely terrible. I did think this was nice, and I feel like the normal level on here is really good. The soft, it just didn't do enough for me, and the strong was just a little too much, but I feel like the normal is what I'm kind of gonna stick with. I found this device so easy to use, and I love that you can go on your phone and really see exactly what is going on from here, which is awesome. I absolutely love that. You can see everything. You can see exactly where you're trying to target. You don't have to stay with a like a mirror really close, because you can't really even see what your pores look like. But with this, you can really see where your skin may need some work, where you want to do some extractions. And especially for all of you out there that love extraction videos and stuff like that, this might be a great device that you might like, just because you can really go in there and see what parts you need. You can see the grossest part of your skin, which is so weird. I know there was a huge trend with the whole magnifying camera here on YouTube, like doing my skincare routine under a magnifying camera, or doing makeup and really seeing what's inside our skin. But I feel like this is a 2-in-1, because you can get that magnified look at your skin, as well as have it in a tool that can actually get some of that gunk out. So I actually really enjoyed this product more than I thought I would. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back out now. All right, take out my hair too. Alright guys, so that's really it for this video. That's my review on the Levetop vacuum blackhead remover with the camera. I had so much fun doing this video, and I'm kind of grossed out by my skin now, but that's all good. That's kind of the whole point, and why you guys are probably here to see a bunch of gross extractions. But I will have this product linked down below if you guys are interested. The link is not an affiliate link or anything. It is solely there if you are interested in the product. That's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments, and I can definitely do more skincare testing, weird skincare devices, stuff like that in the future on my channel. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.